Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. How to optimize battery life on a Windows 11 laptop. So, let's dive right in. First, let's start by adjusting the power and battery settings. Click on the Start menu, go to Settings, then System, and select Power and Battery. In the power and battery settings, you'll see different power modes. Choose Best Power Efficiency to maximize battery life. You can also set a lower screen timeout to save power when your laptop is idle. Windows 11 also has a built-in battery saver mode. This mode reduces background activity and adjusts system settings to extend battery life. To enable battery saver, go to Settings, then System, and select Power and Battery. Under Battery Saver, toggle the switch to turn it on. Next, let's manage background apps. Background apps can consume a lot of battery power. Go to Settings, then Apps, and select Installed Apps. Click on the three dots next to the app you want to manage and select Advanced Options. Here, you can choose Background Apps Permissions and set it to Never. Keeping your drivers and Windows updated is crucial for battery optimization. Outdated drivers can cause your hardware to consume more power. Go to Settings, then Windows Update, and click Check for updates to ensure your system is up to date. Another effective way to save battery is by adjusting your display brightness. Lowering your screen brightness can significantly reduce battery drain. You can quickly adjust brightness from the Action Center by clicking on the battery icon in the taskbar and using the brightness slider. Managing startup programs can also help. Open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl+Shift+Escape, go to the Startup tab, and disable any unnecessary programs. Lastly, consider using Hibernate instead of Sleep. Hibernate saves more power as it writes your current session to the hard drive and completely shuts down your computer. To enable Hibernate, go to Control Panel, then Hardware and Sound, and select Power Options. Click Choose what the power buttons do and enable Hibernate. And that's it. You've now learned how to optimize your Windows 11 laptop's battery life with these simple tips and tricks. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment if you have any questions or additional tips to share. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye for now.